Let's try this again on day 2. There's a little heavy rain and powerful winds. It literally just knocked out this, and this. It literally shut the door. Yo. The winds are literally powerful. You don't even know. This one fell. No way. Giant hurricane. Bro, look. Don't believe me, look. Oh. Damn. That is crazy. This happened when I was literally playing Brookhaven. Heavy rain. Holy shoot. Heavy rain, bro. Heavy rain in the Philippines. It's probably like an orange rainfall or whatever. Let's go. Let's go. Bro, look. Oh, damn. Strong. So cool. And also not cool at the same time, bro. Look. Yeah, what the flip was that? Check out in here. Yep, it's still staying here. What is that? Oh God. Oh, heavy rain is coming. Plus, I'm literally alone here. My parents are not even here. Look. Oh my God. Oh my God. Should I close my windows? I don't know. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye bye.